Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Rimka's Diary. Today, we're going to be seeing some grammar in CBSE Class 7, Chapter 8, the verb Special-Finite verbs. So let's get into the video. Today, we're going to be learning functions of Special-Finite verbs. There are 8 functions. The first function, as a principal. As a principal in grammar basically means like a main verb in that sentence. Uses of verb to be is, am, was, were, be, been, being. So to be is a common form and these helping verbs come under this form, to be. Let's see some examples where the special finite verb functions as a principal. Be a practical man. Are they sick? She is a nurse. What do you want to be? So these are the examples. Now, the second function, as intransitive verbs without predicate or complement. So instead of adding a really big predicate to the subject God is, instead you could add God exists without the predicate. And stars are as a subject. Without adding a predicate, you could rather do stars exist. Instead, you could use the word exist instead of the predicate. In this sentence, exist is the special finite verb. That's why this function is called as intransitive verbs without predicate or complement. Third function, as intransitive verbs with complement. Noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb. For example, I am a student. She is very kind. The car is mine. In these sentences, there is a predicate. So, am is the intransitive verb with complement or predicate. Like here, the complement or the predicate is a student, very kind, mine. So the complement in here is mine, and mine is pronoun. Here, the student is the complement, which is noun, and very kind is adjective. Fourth function, as a helping verb in continuous tenses. So it functions as a helping verb in continuous tenses. Do you know what a continuous tense is? The verb that ends with ing. Look. And here is, was, were, etc. functions as a helping verb in these sentences. For example, she is cooking food. He was running a race. They were playing. Fifth function, in passive constructions. This is how this sentence is. Subject plus to be form. So the helping words that come in to be forms are is, am, was, were, be, been, being. So these are the to be forms. So subject plus to be plus verb plus object plus EP. EP stands for emphatic pronouns. So in this sentence, snake is the subject, was comes in the to be form, killed is the verb, and there's no object in this sentence, but there is emphatic pronouns, which is me. So the snake was killed by me. So the reason why I gave this here, because this is the format of this sentence. Let's see another sentence. I am known to her. In this sentence, I is the subject, am is the to be form, known is the verb. There is no object in the sentence, but there is emphatic pronouns, which is her. Let's see another example. The result was declared. In this sentence, the result is the subject, was is the to be form, and declared is the verb. Sixth function with infinitive to indicate arrangement plan or compulsion. So in this function, the special finite verbs function to indicate arrangement plan, like something is pre-planned, like already planned, and compulsion, like you have to do this, you have to do that. So for example, they are to assemble here. So in this sentence, are is the special finite verb. It is indicating a compulsion, like they are to assemble here. Next example, I am to leave tomorrow. So this is an arrangement plan. So like the special finite verb is indicating that this is arrangement plan. Next example, I am to meet Paneet at the bus stand. So this is also an arrangement plan, and am is the special finite verb in this sentence, which is indicating an arrangement plan. Seventh function, to express order or request. You are not to sit here. So this is an order. So in this sentence, are is the special finite verb which expresses the order. Like you're not to sit here. You are to see me tomorrow. In this sentence, are express order. Like you are to see me tomorrow. Eighth function, where for supposition or impossible desire. Here you're using where for something that will never happen, like that's impossible. For example, were I a king, that's impossible, right? So we're using where here. And where is the special finite verb in this sentence? Were I a bird? So in this sentence, where is the special finite verb? If I were a king. You could also write like this. If I were a king, where is the special finite verb? And if I were a bird, it is impossible, right? So where is the special finite verb? Now, worksheet 4. Exercise 1. Identify the function of the finite verb. So first question. The teacher asked me to write a story. What is the function of the finite verb asked? So they gave us asked is this finite verb in this sentence. So we should identify what function it is. A option, statement. B option, request. C option, command. The teacher asked me to write a story. So you can read the sentence again and again to find the correct answer. So in this sentence, the answer will be request. Let's take the answer. Second question. The bell rang loudly. What is the function of the finite verb ring? So let's read the options right now. A option, request. B option, command. And C option, statement. The C option is the answer because it's just a statement. They're just saying the bell rang loudly. Third question. Can you pass the book? So in this sentence, what is the function of the finite verb pass? Can you pass the book? In this sentence, the answer is request. So let's tick. B option is the correct option, request, because they're requesting to pass the book. Second exercise. Choose the correct finite verb form. I dash am or is going to school. So let's read this sentence using each word. I am going to school. I are going to school. I is going to school. I am makes more sense. So let's take am and write it in the dash. I am going to school. Second question. She dash has or have eaten breakfast already. She has eaten breakfast already. She have eaten breakfast already. So she is singular. So you should pick has. Third question. He dash is or am or are watching TV. He is watching TV. He am watching TV. He are watching TV. We're sure that are won't come here since he is the singular form, so it won't come. Am. We're totally sure that am only come after I, so this is also not the option. Is the correct option. He is watching TV. Exercise 5. Rewrite the sentence using a different finite verb. They already gave a sentence and a different finite verb. We just had to rewrite it. So the first question, the dog is barking loudly. In this sentence, they said use was instead of is. So there's is, right? You should write was instead of is. So let's rewrite it. The dog was barking loudly. Second question. Can you please pass the book? In this sentence, they told us to use could instead of can. So we should write, could you please pass the book? Could you please pass the book? Okay friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.